delete or disable unwanted languages from your keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra so that they will not show up on your keyboard. To do so, open an app or screen where you can type with your keyboard. As the example, while we are using Google Search, tap the setting icon at the top of the keyboard. Tap languages and types. And then tap manage input languages. It depends on the language. For preloaded languages, since you cannot delete them, then you can disable them. To do so, tap the blue on off switch next to the language until the switch turns gray to turn it off. For non-preloaded languages, you can either disable the language like you did with the preloaded languages, or you can simply delete the language. To delete a language, first you have to disable it by tapping the blue on off switch next to this language until the switch turns gray to turn it off. Next, long tap the language and then tap delete. As a note, if you disable a language, next time you want to use it, you just need to re-enable the language. While if you delete a language, you have to download the language if you want to use it again later. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.